Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Wayona fast charging braided cable. There is some information on the box here. Actually, there is no information on the box other than the fact that this is made in India. I will open this box and show you the cable inside. And this is it. These are all the components of the box. We have a 1-year warranty card from Wayona. There is a scratch card. There's a scratch card over here that should scratch and scan for redeem codes and all of that. And this is the braided cable in question. This is a lightning charger. On one end you have a USB-A jack, and on the other you have a lightning charging jack. And this is braided cable. It also comes with a cable tie over here, as you can see. And let's quickly take a look at how long this braided cable is. It's a little less than a meter long. So yeah, this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Wayona fast charging braided cable. Thank you for watching.